do it. We just got to move quick, I guess.
What's your website and what's your handle?
Like my website?
The website and what's your handle?
BroncoDistribution.com. No handle.
No handle. That's it? Right on. Thank you.
Anytime, yes.
I think it's a chemical problem.
Is doing it again? What's your website?
OccursNaturally.com.
OccursNaturally.com.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Hey, man.
What's your website?
Actually, I don't have a website.
No website. How do people order from you if they want to?
At the trade shows.
Just at the trade show. Right on. Thank you.
How you guys doing?
Fantastic.
All right, there's the man for information.
All right. What's your website and what's your handle?
Website? Well, I don't know our website.
IneedMatrix.com.
IneedMatrix.com.
All right, our handle on Instagram, Matrix Distributors, all one word, all lowercase.
Awesome. We're filming every booth, every product here at the trade show. We're putting it on YouTube.
All right, awesome.
Yeah. Right on.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Well, if you want to want me to show you a unique product, I'll show you a unique product.
Yeah, let's see a unique one.
All right, so this is, a little unique looking battery. You turn it on by pushing 5 times. It's on. You can vape, but in addition to vaping this also serves as a power bank. So when you're out of power on your phone, you can charge your phone with a power bank.
Okay.
And it works like a TV stand. So when you're watching this video on YouTube, you don't have to hold your phone.
Let's go.
Yep.
Right on.
Yep.
Awesome, man. I appreciate you.
All right,
What was your
guys.
name?
Bob. Uncle Bob.
Right on, Bob. Thank you. Thank you. Hello. Do you work here?
No, we're just,
Just hanging out.
yeah.
What's the website?
What's the website?
Yeah.
vplay.us and vtouch.us.
Be touch. Right on.
They're so cool. They look like iPhone Apple Watches. Hell yeah. So this one just dropped CHAMPS 2024.
Let's go.
Hell yeah. Let's go.
Awesome. Thank you.
Of course.
Thank you. What was your name?
Fun. I'm Pam, and I'm Montana Rodriguez twins and everything. Yes.
Let's go. Thank you. Thank you.
Happy day 3.
This is our YouTube page.
Let's go. Hello. Y'all have a website? Is there a website?
What's the website?
Oh, you with them?
It's all one company.
Oh.
Yeah. But
Oh,
it's,
okay.
yeah, vplay is v-play.us.
Okay.
Yeah, for
Awesome.
sure.
Thank you.
Oh, that's going to be insane. We got 25 minutes.
Okay. What's your website?
Lux Distributor, kksmoke.com.
Let's go. Thank you. Well, I don't smoke it. Not nicotine and.
I have zero nicotine.
Well, we've got to finish this. We got 20 minutes to finish filming. We're doing every booth, every product at the trade show and putting it on YouTube. Thank you. What's your website? You have a website?
Yes.
What is it?
CAimportandexport.com.
Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, we're going to have to.
What up? What's your website and what's your handle?
The website is nichebiosuticals.com
Okay.
and the handle is also Niche Bioceuticals. I got a really cool soft gel. It's the first sublingual soft gel in the market.
You eat it?
Yeah, you leave it on your tongue and dissolves completely.
And what does it do?
Helps with the pain, inflammation, anxiety, stress.
Awesome. They can get it on the website? And what was your name?
Dr. Guy.
Awesome. Dr. Guy, thank you. We're filming all the booths and all the products and we're putting it on YouTube. Hello. Hi. Good. What's your website and what's your handle?
My website is www.chatmommyla.com and @chatmommyla, @chatmommy_LA on all social media platforms.
And why is your stuff the best?
Because it's the cutest girly smoking accessories you'll find on the market.
Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you guys.
Thank you. Let's go. What's the website?
What's the website? Inhalemore.com.
Right on. What's your handles?
Oh, Inhalemore. Inhale_more.
Inhale_more. Right on. Thank you. There you go.
Flex with the bag.
Why is it the best?
Because the less fucked with, the better.
Let's go. Let's go. What up, what up, what up? We're filming every booth, every product here at the trade show. We're putting it on YouTube. Yeah. Kanna Krew. Yeah. Like that on YouTube. Kanna Krew. Yeah.
Oh, shit.
A minute. Yeah, a minute. All right, let's relax.